Dodging harmful radiations and tackling hardships of pollution and deforestation live some tiny angels. These are the birds in our neighborhood. Indian Whiteeye, also known as the Oriental Whiteeye, is the expert optician of the bird dynasty. This bird has a white colored ring around its eye, which looks like fancy sunglasses. This small yellow bird has a pulse rate often reaching 500, and yes, it is apparent from the bird's quick movements. Indian white-eyes hop through branches and vines, picking up insects. In the spring season, they gather for a feast in flocks on fruiting trees like fig, banyan, and African tulip. When they come together in a big flock, all the birds make a small chirping sound, contributing to a collective hustle in the surrounding atmosphere. Like most small birds, Oriental Whiteye is not at all shy. It lets humans approach it and also approaches them by itself. That is it for today's video. If you learned something new or if you just enjoyed watching those cute birds in the video, consider clicking the like button and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Spreading awareness about the splendid beauty of planet Earth is our mission. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to make yourself a part of it.